I was honestly in there just looking for my camcorder. I really want to film this so we can have something to look back on when we're older. This is vlog number 1. This is beginning of junior year.
Hi.
Nick is back! We're gonna go on an ice cream date. Nick's gonna pay, I'm gonna drive, and Bestie is gonna play swagalicious music. Right, Nick? Yes.
I vlog.
Lemonade. So sorry. I'm vlogging about the squoze and lemonade.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to squoze them fast.
Peace and love. So we were in class today. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
We're dying just a little bit. We haven't even started our fun beach day. That's our paddleboard. Pineapple race car driving. And do you know how fast you were going? Pull over. I'm confused. 2 shots of vodka.
And a splash of vodka.
Can you top it off with some vodka though? This is water.
And Nicole has to finish it. What?
Okay. Double it and pass it on to the next person.
How was the sprinklers?
Refreshing. 3, 2, 1.
It's Nicole's 21st.
Yay! Best friend! Oh my gosh! And it blinked.
Nicole Cam.
Okay, great. Love you. Bye. Peace. I may have just peed in a mop bucket. Say it did something bad!
Happy birthday, Nick.
Ready.
Oh, it's recording.
3, 2, 1, go. Seal.
0.
Oh, half. Okay, see, I would try that, but I feel like I would face plant on my face. Oh, nice. That was my vlog of a cut.
That's all I have.
Happy birthday to